Hi friends, let me show you my new blackout shades. These are like temporary shades or portable shades. You could bring them with you, or if you are going to use a room for a few months as a nursery, or if you have someone that really needs a room really dark because of a recovery process, whatever, you can use these shades and they will really black out a room. As you can see, you get self-stick accessories to install it. You get these clamps so you can open and close the shade if you need it, and you get this measurement tape because you can cut them if you need to cut them. You can adjust them to any size you want, okay? You can see this is a large, okay? Here it is. So you can close it to the size you need it, okay? Let me show you how light doesn't come through, okay? As you can see, there's no light coming through the shade. So it's really a blackout shade. Let's try it. Okay, so let's suppose that I need this window to be really blackout, okay? So what I will do is put the self-stick squares here on top. Perfect. There are the Velcro style okay, as you can see, it's standard size, so let's do it. And that's it. You have a blackout window, no light coming through, okay? And if you for any reason want to have some light during the day, perfect. Even if you forgot to close the main shade, of course you don't need it. This is supposing you don't have one. You have a full blackout window. Even if you want it not to move, you could put some self-adhesive accessories tips down here. So, well, this is a great way to have a dark room, temporary or permanent, really easy to install, and you can even get it out really easily. You see? And put it again.